So my goat is dead. All right. A few weeks ago, I sent it out to mow the lawn, and a couple hours later, I came out and nothing was being done, and the robot was still in the docking station. Very odd. You know, kind of played with it a little bit, reset everything, unplugged everything, you know, did the whole thing, and it just would not go out. So I reached out to Ecovacs, their customer service, came back, they asked me for a video, they kind of wanted to see what was going on. I made a video, I sent them the video, they go, oh, your battery's bad. Which makes complete sense, because when you pull it out of the docking station, it would just die. So with a warranty claim, they sent me a brand new battery, and we're gonna put it in. Now I got one of the first Goats, so I have like one of the first ones that came off the production line. So mine's pretty old. And you know, whenever something new comes out, those first batch or two, you know, there are some things that could go wrong. So maybe the battery is just a bad battery. I don't know, we're gonna see. So this is where the battery actually sits. So this is not a very invasive process. So the first thing we need to do is remove all of these Phillips head screws. All the screws are out. They're all the same size, which makes this really nice. We open this up. You see this is basically sealed from the elements. And let's look at this battery, if it's got any kind of weird things going on. All right, looks like there's some tape around this connection here. And actually, I'm gonna put this back on, and then we will tape it. So we just unplug it. Plug the new battery in. We will add some electrical tape on here just to hold the connection together. And we'll just put the battery back in there. And this is the bad battery. So we will put the cover back on, and we'll work in reverse. Right, now we're gonna put this back on the docking station and let it charge up for however long it takes. Then we're gonna send this thing out and see if it worked. All right, so I put it in. It looks like it's charging. So I'm gonna let this thing up to 100% and we'll send it out. A week later, and that's exactly what it was. It was the battery. Mowed for a few times now, and it's been doing a great job. You can see the lines, it's probably been a few days since it's mowed. So if you wanna know more about this robot in general, I've made multiple videos about it, so I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to the channel. I'll link a few right here. But I'm Mike, Family DIYTV. Leave me a comment down below, and I'm Goat out.